We've got a new ram air intake for today. I'm gonna get it out, the pipes here on. Okay, so here's the intake. It's just that piece. I got obviously hoses for it as well. And a nice chrome looking, what's it called? I forgot what it's called, that piece. Pipes costing around £10. This was about 30, I think it was. And they're about 10, 15. So yeah, one thing I forgot though, make sure you get 2 of these Jubilee clips. I only got 1. So I kind of forgot to get 2, so I'm gonna be without 1. But it's not too bad, just gonna get it later. So I'm gonna remove the car back. There's way too much noise outside, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do a rev test with the bonnet closed, rev test with the bonnet open, and then same thing once I've got the filter installed as well. I'm just letting it warm up now as well, so just gotta wait for that, and then I'm gonna rev it. It only revs 3.5 because they've got a soft limiter. It's annoying, yeah. But I guess that's what I have to deal with for now. I'll try and get drive-bys later. There might be at night, I don't know. When I get some time, I might try to throw in some drive-bys as I love it. Won't be able to get ones of before, but I'll be able to get ones of after. Okay, so we're at the engine bay now. You heard the revs, it's not amazing, it's not all that. And the bonnet kind of covers a lot of it, but we've got the pipes there. You're going to need a small mini ratchet. You can get away with a screwdriver, but it's a bit more awkward with that. But I'll show you where the screws are to get it off. Okay, so to get it off, you're going to need to go for that screw there, that one there, and there's one just down there. You can see it's just that little one there. Oh, it's not focusing. That screw just there at the bottom. You're also going to need to take off. There's going to be 2 screws for a duct here. Mine are already off, there's one there. And there's one just in that gap. Just there. Them 2, this is going to be like a big piece, like a tube that goes down into there. Just like pull that out as much as you can. Be careful bending this, but it does give a bit of slack. And then that's just the airbox. 1, 2, 3. That's 3, there. 4, and then you just pull it out. It comes out with just clips. It's not even clips. It's just like push on tabs. You just pull them off, and it comes off. So let's start getting this done then. Okay, so next is going to be the airbox. That's coming off. You know, I pointed the screws out already. That's coming off. Then we're going to deal with this pipe. I think it's a breather pipe, I'm not 100% sure. So I need to check up on that. Let's get that out now. That's your turbo, by the way, it's tiny. Little baby turbo. Okay, so the whole airbox is out now. Got to fit the filter now, so we're going to use this silver part filter. This is going to go on first. That needs to attach to your turbo, so I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so the way it's going to fit is going to be this blue piece, the silicone hose, onto this part of the turbo, and then from here to the chrome piece, and then from the chrome piece to the filter. But what I'm going to do is put the chrome piece first into this filter, into this silicone hose, just because it's easy to fit on there and then put that onto there, rather than like doing that and then that. It's a bit easier. And don't worry, I'm going to take the sticker off as well. That'll be off. Okay, so it turns out that we haven't actually got a big clip for the 63mm pipe that we've got going onto the turbo. The spring clip didn't actually work good enough, so we're just going to put it on, however, for now. I'm going to get clips tonight and put them on. So I'll tell you where to put the clips on when I'm fitting it, so you know as well then. So make sure you have them. Okay, so this is now all looking good. We've got the pipe, got the actual, forgot what they're called again, filter. That clip's on. I need to put a clip on this end here, and one also on this part here, just so it grabs quite tight. Now, there is this. This is actually a crankcase breather pipe from what I know. So I haven't got a filter for this, but if anything, just take this out, but you can buy a filter. I'll leave a link for one down below. They're cheap. Just whack a little filter on one of these. For now I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm just gonna somehow lock it off and like not block it off, just add a filter onto it for now. But I haven't got it yet, so yeah. So just make sure you have that as well. So I forgot about that. That's it now, let's just do our sound test. That's it there. It looks mad, it sounds so sick. It will take a second for it to learn. Mine struggled to start for a second, then it went okay. So yeah, and it just sounds sick. I'm going to sort out the clips. I'm going to sort out the breather pipe as well after, off camera. And yeah, it's fully worth it if you want the sound. Yes, that's done now. You've heard the revving before and after. Comment down below which one you prefer. I totally prefer after, it sounds so sick. Okay, so that's it for today then. So remember to like, comment down below and subscribe.